Ready to unlock a universe of creativity with just a few words? Midjourney isn't just another AR generator, it's a portal to limitless possibilities. Let's dive into how you can harness its power. First, access Midjourney through their Discord server. You'll need to join a channel and use the Imagine command. Start with a clear and concise prompt. The more descriptive you are, the better Midjourney can understand your vision. For example, instead of just sunset, try a vibrant sunset over a calm ocean, reflecting in the water. See the difference? Specificity is key. Now, let's explore different artistic styles. Experiment with styles like photorealistic, impressionistic, or even mimic famous artists. Just add in the style to your prompt. Need character designs for your game or story? Midjourney excels at that. To describe your character's appearance, clothing, and even their personality in your prompt. And it doesn't stop there. Generate UI elements, website assets, and marketing materials, all with the power of AI. Midjourney integrates seamlessly with other digital tools. Refine your AI-generated art in Photoshop or use it as a base for more complex designs in other software. From abstract art to practical applications, Midjourney is a versatile tool for any creative project. So, what will you create?